Players, Steve Herpy Lip Bannon tried to take a page out of Frumpy Dump's playbook and not pay his attorneys. Well, baby, the judge done told him that, look, you're playing pussy, so you just got fucked. Y'all go ahead and grab your tea and have a seat. Let's talk about it. So Steve don't wash his ass unless Frumpy Dump tells him to. Bannon has been ordered to pay his attorneys nearly $500,000. Oh, yes, honey. It's true. A New York Supreme Court judge ruled Friday that Steve Herpy Lip Bannon must pay the law firm that previously represented him $580,487.87 plus interest in relation to 4 different legal matters. The law firm sued Herpy Lip in February, saying he had only paid $375,000 of the roughly $850,000 that he owed. The firm said that it represented Herpy Lip with regards to a subpoena sent by the House January 6 Select Committee, and also in that criminal contempt case stemming from Steve Bannon's refusal to comply with that subpoena. And they also represented him in that federal donor fraud criminal case, honey. Now, it was dismissed when Frumpy Dump pardoned him, but they were still representing him whenever it was being investigated by the Manhattan District Attorney's Office. Y'all know that's the We Build the Wall scheme that the other two were actually serving time for, but Frumpy Dump pardoned Steve Bannon instead of the veteran that don't have no legs. I declare, honey. What a disgrace. Herpy Lip tried to backpedal and pussy pop out of paying these people, claiming that he had told the firm to stop representing him after January 2022. But the judge ruled, honey, that you were still seeking legal advice from them. So, baby, you got to pay up. Steve Bannon's current attorney wrote in an email that the judge's decision on the unpaid legal fees was clearly wrong and they intend to appeal immediately. Now, this attorney, hopefully he got his money up front, honey, because how you gonna be representing somebody who didn't pay past legal fees? That sounds like a setup to me, but I digress. And Steve Bannon's got a lot going on legally, honey, so hopefully he paid that attorney. As we all know, he was convicted on 2 counts of contempt of Congress for refusing to comply with demands from the January 6th Select Committee for testimony and documents. And of course, he's currently appealing that conviction. I mean, it's pretty clear to me, and this is my opinion, that Herpy Lip decided he wasn't going to pay his attorneys, just like Frumpy Dump hadn't paid his attorneys because he lost those cases. I mean, the only reason why he's walking free right now is because Frumpy Dump pardoned him in that We Build the Wall scheme. He also lost that contempt case, so he was like, hey, I'm just not gonna pay y'all. But baby, the judge told him that fat meat is greasy. You gonna have to go ahead and pay. I don't feel sorry for his current attorney if he don't pay him, honey. How you gonna defend somebody who didn't pay the last attorneys that they had? I declare, what a disgrace. Players, put your thoughts in the comments. This is WD.